Systems go.
Rĩrĩ ikiro cia ũhũthĩri wa tekinoronjĩ irathiĩ na mbere na gũkũra. Ikundi itiganite nĩ ciambĩrĩirie kũhĩmbĩria na kũruta wĩra makĩhũthĩra mũtambo wa AI ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya kũhũthia na kũruta wĩra na ihenya. Thukuru cia thirikari onacio ititigĩtwo na thutha harĩ ũhũthĩri wa AI. Amwe arĩa makoretwo mahĩmbĩirie ũhũthĩri ũyũ makiuga ĩrĩ na kĩguni kĩnene amu nĩ mahotete kũnyihia wĩra mũnene ũrĩa mararutaga wĩgiĩ ũhũthĩri wa maratathi.
And then you command it now to generate for you the report. So within a click of a button, within less than 2 or 3 days, you have prepared your financial statements and reports, and of course sent them to the various statutory organizations for auditing. And this is what it has done to us. It's now given us now an opportunity to not only sit down and just prepare reports for the sake of preparing reports, but to sit down now and look at the report strategically and provide a strategic view and decisions that are now there to guide our institutions into providing better services.
The payment is even easier because we no longer write our checks manually. We simply run them through the system, they are printed, we just sign, and it takes just a short time.
MAKIARIA hĩndĩ ya kũruguria ũhũthĩri wa AI maũndũ-inĩ matiganĩte, ataaramu na anyiti itemi nĩ matarĩirie ũrĩ na ũhoti wa gũkinyanĩria maũndũ na njĩra ya naihenya, kwa mũhiano gũthondeka ibandĩ cia arutwo, gũkũrana namba ya arutwo kũringana na kothi ngũrani iria marathomera, ũrĩhi wa mĩcara kũrĩ aruti a wĩra gatagatĩ ka mangĩ.
You don't need now to memorize lengthy procedures of retrieving a report. You just need to talk to it. If it's an institution, you can say, I want the student population for this financial year. Within seconds, it gives you that report.
AI is not actually coming to replace you in your workplaces, but it's coming to enhance and make actually the reporting to be accurate, and the work that we are doing even to actually for it will enhance transparency and accuracy in the work that we are doing.
Ũrũgamĩrĩri wa mũtambo ũyũ Optimum hamwe noguo moigĩte matanya mao nĩ gũthomithia mũingĩ bata wa gũtwarana na mahinda nĩguo kũhũthia mĩkĩre ya maũndũ.
Optimum already has onboarded 213 institutions across the country, spanning in 44 counties. Those are already our clients. So with the AI, we have already started with our clients, making sure that they are ahead of the game, providing them with a solution that can help them now reduce the time they usually take to retrieve information.
The students do not require to bring their bank deposit slip in the college. Once they deposit their money or use the M-Pesa, the receipts are generated in real time and correct. Our students are able to access their fee balances, they are able to report themselves back to the college, and it becomes very easy for the guardians and also for our own students.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njũgũna.